Day in the life of the estate planning attorney. That's me, Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are seeking help in estate planning or administration after someone's passing in New York or New Jersey, you can reach out to us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. And speaking of value, we provide these educational videos nearly every weekday so that folks can learn some things. So we hope that you share, and together we can help some folks along the way. Now, this week I had a conversation, it was actually a follow-up conversation, with a woman who recently lost her elderly mom. That's not the story, though. She jointly owned their home, which has a pretty nice net worth. That home, however, should something happen to her, would be fully inherited by her heir, who is her adopted disabled sister. This is where the interesting part comes in. She does not have an estate plan of her own, but she needs one now. She could have had it sooner, of course, to protect herself and make her wishes known. But now the rubber has sort of hit the road and she must get it in place. Because if again something happens to her, the inheritance that would fully go to her disabled sister will impact her government benefits. She would likely lose them for a period of time until she spent down the inheritance. But there is a way that she can make her wishes known relative to her estate within her estate plan as to who her beneficiaries are, even if that does include her sister, or I should say a trust for her sister as a partial or full beneficiary. It's just a matter of making sure it's clear in writing and it protects anybody who does have a disability from losing their benefits. It simply just has to be placed in a special type of trust under your plan. And your plan may be a will or a trust itself. Either way is fine, but you want to be sure that you're insulating that disabled party. It does make it a little more complicated if it is under a will, the trust for your disabled family member, because then the court's involved. Anytime the court's involved, it takes a little longer, there's more oversight, a little more headache. It's just the way it goes. You can understand that. So again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you need our assistance here in New York and New Jersey, you can reach out to us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. We hope you've learned something new here today and choose to share. And as always, take care.